Hi all, welcome back to Odoo 17 development tutorial. Today, in this video, let's discuss about how to make a preview editable. For that, I have created a module that is college here, and inside my college, I have created a menu that is tag. So this tag is a preview. So for this particular tag, there is no form view. So if we go back to my backend, here you can see my college tag model. And also here you can see that I have added only one field, that is to add the name of the tag. So, and also you can see my view in the views. Here you can see that college tag. So for this, you can see that the view mode is only preview. So I'm not adding the form view here. So let me refresh it. And you can see that it only contains the preview. It doesn't contain the form view. So if we check the UI, here you can see that this form view or this particular one cannot be edited. So now let's update my college management module here. And let's go to the college module. Here you can see that even if I click the new button, here you can see that no effect, that we cannot create a new record here. So for that, we need to make this particular preview editable. So we can make this preview editable either at the bottom or at the top. So let's check it. For that, here in my preview, I'm going to add the attribute that is editable. So if we search, we can see that editable as bottom, and also most probably we are giving editable as top or bottom, and also editable as top. So I will show you the both cases. That is editable as bottom. So I'm giving it as editable as bottom, and let me upgrade it. So I'm running the Python, and let's upgrade the module, that is college management module. So to the apps, let me upgrade my module, that is college management. And let's go to the module, that is college tag. So you can see that on clicking the new button, you can edit it here. So I'm saving it. And if we check or click again the new button, you can see that on bottom you can edit it. So I'm changing it as editable as top. So let's check, that is editable as top. And let me run it. And let's upgrade the module. So let's go to the tag. And I'm clicking the button new. You can see that now we can edit at the top. So to make a particular preview editable, we can add the attribute that is editable equal to either bottom or as top. So if it is in the case of that is into the notebook or like this, you can also add in that particular preview, you can add the editable as equal to top or bottom. So this is how we can edit a particular preview in Odoo 17. Thank you.